Have you ever heard the phrase, practice makes perfect? That phrase makes a lot of sense, but what if you aren't practicing the right way? A great example of this is the athlete. Athletes are always practicing and refining their technique. If they didn't, they could not only hurt their chances of winning the game, but end up physically hurting themselves as well. Just like our athlete, it's important that we practice proper techniques when we're sampling. By doing so, we ensure not only the safety of our personnel, but the integrity of the sample we want to test. Ready to learn more? Check out our webinar on demand, Sampling Best Practices, and learn about the importance and process of proper sampling, how to choose which assets to sample and what location to sample from, and how to establish sampling frequencies. Test oil, remarkable in every way.